Nice, sir.
Students,
Nice, sir.
nice only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And our coming exam portion I already posted in WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So molecular biology, same, you can expect more question, molecular basis of inheritance, and organism population on the, you can study only that up to abiotic factor you can study, right?
Yes, sir.
An organism population, you will expect only 8 to 10 question you will get the introduction part, and up to the abiotic factor you will get question, right? And the maximum question only you will get from molecular basis, and remaining 5 to 8 questions only will get from sexual reproduction, microbes in human welfare, and etc., right? Today we can discuss, actually today we'll discuss the answer key. I told many of them you asked the PowerPoint, no? PPT. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I will post today, ma. Okay. So we can discuss the answer key for the yesterday question paper answer key now. See the question number 91 here. Select the incorrect sentence for heterochromatin they are asking. So this question comes under packing of DNA helix, right? There we studied there are two types of chromatins are there. Euchromatin, another one is a heterochromatin. The difference between U and heterochromatin is, heterochromatin only it's a densely packed and it stains dark and transcriptionally inactive, and it is a replicating one, right? So they are asking incorrect statement they are asking. So incorrect statement is, third statement is a incorrect, right? So because the heterochromatin is, it is a transcriptionally inactive one, not active one. The transcriptionally active one is only euchromatin. So that the incorrect sentence for heterochromatin is, it is a transcriptionally active. So next question, question number 92. The structure in chromatin seen as beads on string when viewed under electron microscope. So which structure when they look like a beads on string? The structure we can call it as nucleosomes.
Nucleosome.
But DNA which wrap around the histone atom, and when we are looking under microscope look like a beads on string, right? The structure name is called nucleosomes. Next question. Both deoxyribose and ribose belongs to class of sugar called. This is a very simple question, right? So deoxyribose, the type of ribose found in DNA. Ribose is found in RNA. So this the class of sugar when they called, you can call it as pentose sugar because all are having 5 carbons. These are 5 carbon sugar, so that you can say pentose sugar, right? So next one, the ratio of DNA and histone in prokaryote. How many of them you are given right answer for this question? Ratio of DNA and histone in prokaryote is. So what is the ratio?
1:0.
1:0 because so in prokaryote there is no histone proteins. Histone proteins are found only eukaryotic organism. Whereas prokaryote, instead of histone protein, there are some proteins are there. The protein name is called histone-like protein. It's not histone. So the answer is 1:0, right? The answer is 1:0. So the second option is right. So 1:0 is a right answer. Next question, question number 95. Euchromatin is transcriptionally So transcriptionally, euchromatin is the active chromatin, whereas heterochromatin is a transcriptionally inactive chromatin, right? So the answer, correct answer is second one. Euchromatin is active and heterochromatin is inactive one. The second one is the right answer, right? So next question, you can see here, the reverse transcriptase. So reverse transcriptation, it's enzyme found only in the RNA viruses. RNA viruses. Actually, this enzyme uses RNA as a template for the synthesis of DNA molecule. So that the reverse transcriptase also called as RNA dependent DNA polymerase, right? RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Whereas the DNA replicating enzyme, how we can call? So DNA replicating enzyme, we can call it as DNA dependent DNA polymerase. That enzyme uses DNA as a template, but this enzyme uses RNA as a template, so that this enzyme name is called, you can call it as RNA dependent DNA polymerase, right? Question number 97, you can see here. Prior to the work of Oswald Avery, Colin MacLeod, and Maclean McCarthy in 1933 to 44, the genetic material was thought to be what they believed before that? They believed as a protein or a genetic material, right? So initially, the scientists believed that proteins are genetic material, but after the biochemical characterization by Oswald Avery, Colin MacLeod, and Maclean McCarthy, that is a disproved, and they are believing that DNA is a genetic material. So the answer is first one, right? Look, question number 98 here. The clinical proof of that DNA is a genetic material proved by Horsey and Chase. They worked with which organism they worked for their experiment? They used two important organisms. One is E. coli, another one is a T2 bacteriophage. Actually, bacteriophage, there are different classes are there. So the specific bacteriophage used by Horsey and Chase is T2 bacteriophage. But here they are given only bacteriophage alone. So the right answer is bacteriophages, right? Question number 99, you can see, this is also a simple question. DNA is a genetic material because, so why we are, it's a DNA, it's acting as a genetic material than RNA. It has capacity to replicate. So okay, but RNA do not have any capacity. And it is a chemically and structurally stable one, DNA is. And the molecule provides scope for slow mutation, right? So all of these are correct. So this question comes under the DNA molecule. Actually, if one molecule want to act as a genetic material, they have to fulfill some characteristics. There we discussed, right? So DNA has capacity to replicate also, and also DNA molecule is chemically and also structurally stable than the RNA, and also provides scope for slow mutation. So all of these are right. Question number 100. Which are the following steps show transformation with respect to Griffith experiment? So Griffith experiment, he did experiment with Streptococcus pneumoniae. In that he used two important strain. So non-capsulated and capsulated, smooth and what is that? Smooth and rough, right? And here you can see the mouse inoculated with encapsulated bacteria. So encapsulated, already it's a smooth one that is okay. And a mouse inoculated with non-encapsulated, no. So where it's showing transformation, mouse inoculated with heat-killed encapsulated bacteria. So that also not showing transformation. When he's injected this heat-killed encapsulated and encapsulated bacterial inoculation. Then only the bacteria show transformation. The fourth one is a right answer, right? Question number 101, you can see here. Which of the following was not an observation in Horsey and Chase experiment? Actually, for this experiment, he used S35, P32, radioactive sulfur or radioactive phosphorus. So, radioactive sulfur on the found only in protein part of the virus. P32 on the found only DNA of the virus. When after his experiment, so he separated the bacterial cells from the rest of the things, right? And here they are asking, this is a negative form question, was not a observation they are asking. In Horsey Chase experiment, which are the following not an observation? Bacteria which was infected with virus that had radioactive DNA were radioactive, right? This is a right statement. Bacteria that were infected with virus that had radioactive protein. So this is not an observation. DNA was a material that passed from virus to bacteria, right? Protein did not enter into the bacteria from the virus. This is also right. Only the second statement is a wrong statement, right? Because in bacterial protein, there is no radioactivity. Radioactivity found or you can observe only in the protein part of the capsid part of the virus, not in the bacteria. The second answer option is the wrong answer. Next, you can see question number 102. Select an incorrect statement they are asking. Incorrect statement. This also it's a negative form question. Both nucleic acid. So there are two types of nucleic acids are there, DNA and RNA. Have ability to direct their duplication. So next points we will study. DNA, DNA easily they can direct and duplicate. Protein have no ability to direct duplication. That is a right statement. DNA chemically less reactive, structurally more stable when compared to RNA. It's a right. 2' OH group present at every nucleotide in DNA is unreactive group and makes DNA stable. So for this question, so the fourth answer is incorrect. So 2' OH group present in every nucleotide in DNA. In every nucleotide DNA, there is no there is no hydroxyl group at second carbon atom, right? Second carbon atom contain only hydrogen instead of OH. Only H is there, there is no OH. So if OH is there, it is a reactive one. So that statement is incorrect one, right? All are listening, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So question number 103, you can see here. They are given what diagram, flow chart they are given. Actually, this question is a repeated question, right? A, they are given DNA to DNA. DNA to DNA, how we can call replication, right? So DNA to mRNA, B, it's a transcription. mRNA to DNA, there is a reverse transcription. mRNA to protein one the translation, right? So which option coming? So the third option is right? A, replication, B, transcription, C, reverse transcription, and D, translation, right? So biochemical nature of grape experiment was firstly determined by who did that biochemical characterization? Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod, McLean McCarthy, right? These three scientists alone. 1, 2, and 3. This is the right answer, right? And question number 105. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? We know that phosphodiester bond definitely bond found in only in nucleic acid, right? So in between nucleotide of nucleic acids. So the first answer is right. And what is the name of bond found in fatty acid? Biomolecules we studied. What is the name of bond which found in fatty acid? The bond name is called ester bond. What is the name of bond found in polysaccharide? Like starch, cellulose, glycogen and all. Here the bond name is called glycosidic bond. In amino acids in polypeptide, what is the name of bond?
Peptide
Bond
bond.
is peptide bond, right?
Peptide bond.
But a phosphodiester bond is found only in between nucleotide of nucleic acid, both DNA and RNA. Question number 1066 here. Identify the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest one. Actually, these questions also repeated question. They are asking from large to small. The whole DNA found in cell together we are calling as genome, right? Whole DNA we are saying that genome. And next genome and next level small one is chromosome. And next small level one is gene. And the next small level one is nucleotide. Actually, genome, nucleotide, many nucleotides joined together we form DNA. In that DNA, the part of DNA we are calling as genes. But all the genes together form chromosome. And all chromosome found in cell together we are saying that genome. So the largest to smallest they are asking. The answer is genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide, right? And which of the following is not applicable to RNA? So the not applicable to RNA they are asking, right? But RNA, so the Chargaff rule is not applicable to RNA because Chargaff rule is applicable only for double stranded DNA. So not applicable for RNA and also not applicable for single stranded DNA. Remaining and all applicable like complementary base pairing, 5' phosphoryl, 3' hydroxyl end, and heterocyclic nitrogen bases. These are all applicable to RNA. Only Chargaff rule are not applicable, right? And question number 108. Adenine, guanine contain 2 CN rings. Actually, the heterocyclic rings are there, no? That rings also called the CN rings because the core part of ring contain both carbon and nitrogen. That's why we are saying that CN rings. Adenine, guanine, 2 rings are there. One 6 member, one 5 member. Adenine, guanines are pyrimidine. So adenine, guanines are purines, not pyrimidine, right? So A is right, but B is false. R is false. The third answer option is right. So third one is right. And I see here question number 109 here. So name the heavy isotope used by Michelson and Stahl for providing semi-conservative mode of DNA. Actually used 2 nitrogen form. One is a light, another one is a isotopic, heavy isotopic. So light one we will call it as N14, heavy one the N15. But here they are asking, name the heavy isotope they are asking. So what is the which one heavy isotope is? So what is the name of substance used as a source of nitrogen? Ammonium chloride. But heavy isotope on the N15 ammonium chloride, right? Normal one the N14, right? See, the DNA polymerase is another name of, because DNA polymerase in the which catalyzes the synthesis of new daughter DNA by using existing DNA molecule. So that the uses existing DNA as a template. So this DNA polymerase also you can call it as DNA dependent DNA polymerase, right? The first one is the right answer. So DNA dependent DNA polymerase, right? Next question number 111, Wakasagi fragments. So during replication, there are 2 strands are synthesized simultaneously. One strand on the synthesized continuously, other strand on the synthesized discontinuously. So the continuous strand only we can call it as leading, opposite strand you can call it as lagging strand. lagging stand on the DNA synthesis occurs in discontinuous manner, right? So that the short segment of replicated DNA formed from DNA template with the polarity 5' to 3', right? So this second answer is right one. Wakasagi fragment. Why we are calling Wakasagi fragment? Because that fragments are first discovered by scientist Wakasagi. So that fragment we are calling as Wakasagi fragments, right? Question number 112C here. Which are the following DNA polymerase of prokaryote have both 3' to 5' and 5' to 3'? So exonuclease activity. So exonuclease activity they are asking, right? So which enzyme that has that 3' to 5' and 5' to 3' exonuclease? Na? So DNA polymerase 1, right? Question number 113. The process of DNA replication. Actually, we studied the DNA replication it's a semi-conservative one, right? So actually the different scientists, they proposed a different model to explain the mechanism of DNA replication. Like in that important models are, so conservative, semi-conservative, dispersive. But the most accepted mode of DNA replication is semi-conservative one. So one strand is conserved and another strand is newly synthesized, right? That mode name is called semi-conservative mode, right? And question number 114, sequence of enzyme acting in DNA replication is. Actually sequence, we got to find out the sequence. Actually all are essential, they are having some important role in so DNA replication. First one, the helicase on the which unwind the double stranded DNA into single. Then topoisomerase which relieve the tension created by supercoiling. And DNA polymerase which catalyzes the synthesis of DNA. And finally, the discontinuous fragment, Wakasagi fragments are joined by DNA ligase. The sequence of enzymes are helicase, topoisomerase, DNA polymerase, and ligase, right? Question number 115. The replication of lagging strand generates small polynucleotide fragment. So how we can call that fragments? Wakasagi fragment. And J.H. Taylor experiment which provide DNA replication is semi-conservative. So this is actually he conducted an experiment using root tip cells of Vicia faba. Vicia faba nothing but faba beans. From that he did one experiment and he proved that DNA replication is semi-conservative one. Question number 117. During replication, DNA replication in prokaryote, DNA is attached with. So where because the site of DNA synthesis in eukaryotes are, we know that. So eukaryotes in the cell nucleus. Whereas the site of where it will attach na, so mesosome in prokaryotes, right? Mesosome will provide membrane where the DNA is replicated within the prokaryote. Actually, what is that replication port they are asking? Replication port. So replication port. Actually, replication port na in the whole DNA, in double-stranded DNA, at the time of replication, the whole DNA is not unbinded. Only some region along the hydrogen bonds are broken and leave single-stranded DNA. So where it look like Y shape, that Y shape we are calling as replication port. So the small opening of DNA helix we are calling as replication port, right? And 119, the core enzyme require a factor for termination of RNA synthesis at some site. The core factor you can call it as Rho factor. It's a Rho dependent RNA termination, right? Question number 120. polycistronic messenger RNA usually occurs in, actually we discussed already. So the type of genes found in prokaryotes are called as polycistronic, but eukaryotic genes are called as monocistronic, right? But the polycistronic messenger RNA found only in prokaryote, not in the eukaryote. Eukaryote only you can say it monocistronic, right?
Sir, fourth option will come, sir.
Yes. The bacteria also comes under prokaryote. No, yes, ma. Both 1 and 2, right? I'm not looking at bacteria. So bacteria also comes under prokaryote. So that 1 and 2 both are right. Fourth is right. And question number 121, in an animal cell, the process of transcription and translation occur in. So the site of DNA replication is cell nucleus. Site of transcription also cell nucleus. And once mRNA produced, and mRNA from nucleus will be exported to the site of translation. The site of translation on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Nothing but it's a cytoplasm only, right? Rough endoplasmic reticulum is found in only cell cytoplasm. Here they are asking the site of transcription and translation, both they are asking. Transcription in the nucleus, whereas translation is cytoplasm respectively. If they are given like here, they are given, if they are asking like replication and transcription, you can say only nucleus. Translation alone cytoplasm. But here they are asking transcription and translation. Transcription occur in nucleus, whereas translation occur in cytoplasm, right? Question number 122. The enzyme DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes the polymerization reaction in dash direction. Actually, it uses the DNA template, the polarity of DNA template on the 3' to 5'. But DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes the polymerization in the only in 5' to 3' direction, right? So that is the right answer. Question number 123, which regard to mature mRNA eukaryote, which statement is correct? So mature mRNA, only exon sequence are there, but not both. So both only exon introns are absent, that is not correct. Both exon introns are present, that is not correct. Exons are present, but introns are absent, right? So this is a mature mRNA, but immature mRNA contain both exon and introns, right? Question number 124. Select the correct statement for mutation, they are asking, right? The relationship between gene and DNA are best understood by mutation studies. Question number 124, right? So there is a it's a relation between studied by best. It is an incorrect statement. The effect of large deletion and rearrangement segment of DNA are not easy to comprehensive, right? And mutation may result in loss or gain of gene and so function. And a point mutation is change in single base pair in the gene. It's like here more statements are right statement. So what is the answer given for this question?
Second option.
Second option, sir.
Third
But
option also is
actually the question is wrong, ma. Mutation may result in loss or gain of gene and its so function. That is a right statement only.
yes, sir.
Point mutation is change in the single base pair in the gene. That also right. Single base point mutation. But the question they have to ask incorrect option, right? Incorrect incorrect the second one, the first also right. So incorrect only the question, but the mistake they are given. Okay. Select the incorrect statement for mutation only correct, right? One second answer option is right. You can change it. Question number 125. Based on genetic code, they are asking. AUG வந்து act as a start codon, right? Always which code for methionine, right? AUG. And AA வந்து stop codon. It's a termination codon. UUU, the first genetic code, always which code for phenylalanine. UGG வந்து tryptophan. So which answer coming? So 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3 is the second one is right, right? Which of the following is not a silent feature of genetic code? 3 codon do not code for any amino acid, right? That is a right because 3 codons are there. UAA, UAG, UGA. This codon on this act as a termination codon or stop codon. Codon on this unambiguous and specific. But the second statement is not a future. Codon on the ambiguous and specific. Codon is non-degenerate. The codon read in mRNA in continuous fashion. So the question number 126. 126 is actually the third one is not a feature. Codon on the degenerate is not a non-degenerate, right? So codon on the nearly unambiguous and specific. The codon on the is a degenerate one. And next you can see question number 127. Zygote in sexually reproducing organism. It is a vital thing ensuring continuous from one generation to other, right? So it's a direct question. Next question you can see statement type they are given. First statement involved with statement about asexual reproduction they are asking. It involves only single parent, right? It is a slower than the sexual reproduction. This is wrong because asexual is a rapid process. Produces progeny that are identical to parent but not with one another. That also wrong. So because they are identical to parent and also identical to among other themselves also, right? The progeny of asexual reproduction can be termed as clone. This is a right statement. Statement 1 and 4 alone right. So the answer option is third one. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And during the period 1960 to 2000, rice production is increased from how? What is the range? Rice production is
35 million
35
tons
million
to
tons to
89.5 million
89.5.
tons.
89.5. 11 million to 75 on the wheat production.
Wheat production.
But third, fourth is irrelevant, right? Second one is the right answer. The wheat variety are very simple question. Sonalika,
Sonalika Kalyan song.
Kalyan Sona. Jaya Ratna are
Rice
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 variety.
the bacterium help in production of Swiss cheese. So what is the name of bacteria? Propionibacterium.
Propionibacterium.
Sherman.
Right?
Shermani.
And a Trichoderma polysporum. So it actually the year wrongly matched they are asking. So wrongly matched வந்து, so which one? Trichoderma cyclosporin, right? Immunosuppressive, right? Monascus purpuris, it's a yeast statin lowering of blood cholesterol. Streptococcus and this streptokinase removal of clot from the blood vessel. Clostridium botulinum and the lipase. This one is wrong, right? That is wrong. Question number 133. The most important feature in plasmid to be used as a vector is the most important feature they are asking. So which feature? Origin of replication. Other also very important. If there is no origin, then how we can use that one as a vector? So the most important feature is origin of replication. Others also features only, but most important one is origin of replication. And you see the correct sequence of PCR. This is also very easy. Denaturation, annealing, and extension. So annealing is also called as primer binding or renaturation. Extension is also called as DNA synthesis. The correct sequence is DNA, annealing, and extension, right? Last question. What would be most likely to happen of decomposer bacteria fungi become extinct on the earth? So bacteria fungi not there because these are considered as a major decomposer. If these two organisms is there, what will happen? So organic nutrient are not further decomposed into inorganic matter. So organic nutrient would accumulate in the dead plants, animal, and become unavailable to the living organism. But earthworm here, first question you can see, detritivores such as earthworm would replace them, they are saying. But earthworm they can convert complex organic to simple organic alone. But earthworm it's not possible. Earthworm it's not converting organic into inorganic. Which one convert organic to inorganic? Na bacteria and fungi alone. Then only the plants they can use up that inorganic matter. So that the organic matter when they accumulate within the soil, it's not available to the living organism, right? So any doubtful questions are there, ma? Up to this? Any doubtful questions are there? You can ask me now.